I love that you want to create a new future together that doesn't start from a place of what works best for you or me, or what other people would choose, or even what the IKEA instructions would say, but what works best for us. You treat me as your partner, you are an incredibly talented dreamer and believer in us, and I know you'll never stop fighting for our future. I promise to be there for you in the good times, the bad times, to brush Motsi's teeth if you are unable, to help with home renovations, maybe even secretly enjoying some of it, and to be your yes and partner to help dream up what's next. I can't wait to see what our future together holds. You are the love of my life, my best friend, and my equal mind. Ti amo tantissimo, tantissimo, tantissimo.
After today, I get to laugh with you, and cry with you, care for you, and share with you. I get to learn with you and grow with you, build with you and live with you. Therefore today, I'm not hedging my bets. I'm not hedging my answers. Today, there is no worst case scenario. Because today, I know this is what I want. And this is all I could have ever dreamed of, a life with you. Ti amo, Rachel. E ti amerò per sempre. Almost made it.
Now's the time.